barn build. We're hoping 6 weeks or so it's going to get delivered. Our carpenter said that February was a good time to put it up. So we have to be ready for them. So we're going to try to take advantage of the ground not being frozen. That it's a little bit more comfortable to be outside. So that's today's project. That's our Christmas present. Get this thing down on the ground and out of the way. Okay, as I'm pulling the tin off, I'm about to put it there. We're really not going to save any of it. The pieces of wood that break off, if you want to have another pile or whatever,
Okay.
so we can keep this area clean for the excavators, that would be nice.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. We got excavators coming
right.
Tuesday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Right, so
Yeah.
we have to not get in their way. So I'm going to go for it now, all right? Okay, so now it's mostly on the ground. I'm not an expert at this. Little tractor, we do what we can do. We have to save one post because we're going to call this a rebuild on the barn. And if we don't have anything left, then they can't call it a rebuild, they call it a new build. So that's our post. A couple other ones. That's what we're going to leave. So now we're just going to clean the stuff up off the ground and call it day.